Are we live? I think we are. Good morning. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Yeah. Okay. Doop doop doop. Just gonna go put some music for me. Um, Okay. I think we are ready. Good, good, good. Okay. So, this is the start. I don't have anything uh, done yet. It's a completely new project. I have a bit of coffee. Should be good for at least an hour or two. So I guess we can start. Okay. So. Um, I've created a bit of like some task here. I don't know where we're gonna be able to reach, but I think we're at least gonna be able like to create the repo and be able to package for Android, I think today, because we want to do the project setup. Yeah, I think that will be the objective for today, and then we'll see if we're gonna be able to do anything else after or not, depending how much time I have. Okay, so for the repo, I'm using Bitbucket to host the repo because it's free and it's easy. So that's what I'm using. So I can just create a new name. No readme, git ignore, sure, whatever. I just want to create the repo. Okay, uh, sounds good. I have a repo. Yay. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go put it on my computer somewhere. So I'm using source tree. Okay, let's load it. I'm gonna close these because I don't care about these. Clone. Oh, I forgot to take the URL. Copy the URL here. Boom. The path. Yeah, sure, I don't care about that. Password. Oh, so annoying. Okay, and then the place I want to save it should be somewhere there, maybe. Okay, that's good. So I have my repo created here, so now we can create the under project right there. Sounds good, sounds good. So it's gonna be a blank project because I don't want any code. No starter content for mobile. Quality, low quality for start. No ray tracing. Blueprint project. It's gonna be in the repo, and tab for the project name should be good for now. Okay, we have a new project. Woohoo! So I'm just gonna create like a simple level. Whatever. The name doesn't matter, so I'm gonna just scale everything for you. Is it big enough? I hope it is. Detail panels, that's good. I'm not hiding anything with my cam. Okay, good. Good. Um, hmm. Is it is the audio good on the stream? Wanna see? Oh, okay, looks good. Looks good. Okay. Good. Okay, so we have a level completely empty. Actually, yeah, no. Instead of having a completely empty level, I'm gonna create like I'm gonna save that one instead. Save. Yes. Okay, that's better. So now we have a level that we can play. Good. Okay, so now the packaging part for Android. Actually, that was pretty fast. Okay, so if we bring back Trello, the repo's done. Good. Package for Android. Okay, so for that, Android packaging. I think we're gonna need Android Studio somewhere. No, packaging Android because it's shipping with Android. No, nope. Um, where is the Android project setup? Maybe. Ah, SDK and DK. That's what I wanted because we need Android Studio version 3.5.3, and I wanted to have the link to get it. Where is the link? There's no download link. Oh, okay. Here. Yeah. Okay. I agree. 3.5. The IDE. Download. Okay. So while this is downloading, I think we're gonna be able to do the project settings and stuff. So edit project settings. Weapon mode, I wanna have my level at the start. Packaging. I don't think I have anything to change here. Yeah, no, everything seems fine. Actually, do I have? I think it's in map and mode. I have to remove the joystick. Where's the joystick thingy? Already. Inputs, probably. Yep. Clear this thing. So no joystick on my screen because I'm gonna code my own inputs. And for Android, configure now. Accept SDK. Did it work? I guess it did. The name doesn't matter for now. Configure this thing too. And it should all be good, I think. Yeah, course like these. Even though I'm not gonna use, I'm not gonna have sound for a while. Because I'm not good with sound. But I think I'm gonna have to add it somewhere in the future. Okay, so that seems fine. Okay, Android Studio is done. Downloading. I don't know how long it's gonna take to install though. Next, sure, next. Vroom. Actually, can put it there. Okay. So I'm gonna start creating some stuff while waiting for that. So I'm gonna have my core stuff, which is to me it's like the game mode, player controller, pound, and stuff like that. So VPGM for game mode, VP PC for player controller, and then VP pound for these things. Okay. Android Studio is done. Okay, I can start Android Studio. No config. Don't send. Okay, we don't want to update because Unreal needs 3.5.3 specifically. Next, go for standard. I think it should be fine. Black. Finish. Open that project too. Actually, I already like started a little bit of a project just with some like basic stuff like the inputs and stuff. Just so uh, because I wanted to like to see if I was able to do the project and if it will be too complicated and stuff. So yeah, I just started prototyping some stuff. So now I'm just gonna like reproduce that thing here, so it doesn't take like forever to have like a bit of something working. Okay, taking a while. I'm just gonna move it there and start doing some stuff. So okay, I'm gonna start coding the game mode then. Not really coding because we don't do much in there, but it's just mostly setup. I'm gonna set the player controller, gonna set the pound too. Okay, that's done. And then we're gonna move into the pound. And what I'm gonna do is probably add a camera and stuff in there. I just wanna make sure. Okay, so we're gonna need a spring arm and the camera. Okay, so here's the spring arm and the camera. The spring arm, I set this value to 3500. Ooh, that's a long spring arm. And then no collision test. And then I think I've put this rotation to -45. Yeah, something like that. Huh. Okay, that's weird. Installation failed. Does not support blah blah blah. Maybe it's gonna. I hope it's still gonna work. Yeah, it looks like it still works. That's weird. Okay, if it works, that's good. I mean, why not? Okay. Just gonna close this then. I'm gonna test if it works. ADB, just ADB. ADB does not recognize. Oh, that's not good. That is not good. Goes in there. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to do some stuff in the engine first. That's why it didn't work. Okay. So Unreal Engine, where's my engine? Actually, yeah, quick way to do it. Show and Explorer. Here we go. Engine, extras, Android, setup Android. Yeah. Okay, so another thing that's gonna take a little bit. Accept the license. Okay, move it there. Good, good, good. Okay, back in the phone. So I have the camera and the spring arm, that's good. Did I change something in the camera? I don't think so. Camera seems fine. Yeah, default values are gonna be good for now, I think. So if I press play now, it doesn't work. Why? Why is it not working? Setting. Do I have no? Why is it using game mode base? Oh, I didn't link it in project settings. Project settings. Map and mode. BPGM as a game mode. Good. Now, oh yeah, good. So I have my camera now. Okay. The zoom is pretty far, but I think we're gonna be able to zoom closer, so it doesn't matter for that. Okay. I don't know if it's the best way to do things, but I usually like put the inputs in the player controller. Actually, yeah, we could put it in the palm too. It's not really big deal. Since my game is not gonna be multiplayer and we're not gonna be able to control multiple pawns either. I don't think we're gonna be able to control multiple pawns. Hmm. Maybe we should like put the inputs directly in the pawn just so like it's ready if in case we wanna add more pawns and stuff. Hmm. Yeah, I guess it makes sense. It makes sense. Okay. So we're gonna do the inputs in the pawn, I think. Sure, why not? Why not? Okay. Let's go. Just looking at what I did already. Okay. Android Studio is still installing, so that's good. Project settings. We're gonna create some inputs. I'm gonna start with some axes, I think. Sure. For now, it's gonna be good. So, forward, left, and zoom. It's gonna take 4 inputs here, 4 inputs there, and the mouse wheel in the last one. So mouse wheel axis. That's okay. Um, Here I just want the letter W. Ooh, W. S. Up, down. Just in case we want to use the arrows instead. So here it's gonna be the same. D. Left and right. Okay. And for the scaling, in my other project I put like 4.5 for some reason. I think I'm gonna stick with it for now, but then we'll see if we change that in the future. Minus 4.5. 4.5 here. 2. Woo. and for the zoom I had 2. That's weird, but yeah, I usually like put it to 1 and till go with it, but whatever. I guess for now it's gonna be these random values. Okay, for Android Studio, it's done. So now we can just spacebar, and it should now work. So I have a CMD, and I search for ADB. Yeah, now it's working. Good, 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 good. Okay. So now I want to see if my phone is recognized by the computer. So I'm plugging my phone in. I don't know if the dev mode is enabled already. Sorry. DB devices. List of devices, nothing. So I guess my dev mode is not enabled. So I'm gonna go do that. Actually, maybe it's just oh yeah. Okay. Doesn't real recognize it? Nope, it doesn't. That's interesting. Oh yeah, I think I disabled. Completely disabled it somewhere. Where's the dev mode? Dev options. USB debugging. Good. Okay. That should be better now. Yeah. So now my phone is there. Yay. Good, good. You can see it here. This is the name of my phone. It's an LG phone. Just look at something. Sorry, I'm looking at something real quick. Okay, doesn't matter. Good, 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 good. Okay, so here I have my phone. Doesn't seem to be visible in Unreal though for some reason. Maybe I have to restart Unreal since I just installed Android Studio. But I might still be able to package. Nope, Unreal doesn't want me to package. Okay, so actually I'm gonna close that thing. And I'm gonna restart Unreal. So I'm gonna close this and go where the project is now and reopen it. Okay, so yes. Sure. Good, good, good. I have my Android phone here. That's good. So now I just want to package to see if it's gonna work. New folder. Well, actually, no need new folder. Put it right there. And then I'm gonna put the log here so we can see if anything goes wrong. Okay. So that's all right. Okay. So this is packaging. Good, good, good. Okay. So now we can start working on the inputs, I think, while this is in progress. So package and Android in progress. The game mode is pretty much done. I didn't have anything really to do in there. I'm gonna go see if I add something in the player controller other than maybe the inputs. But since the inputs are gonna move um, into the pawn, I don't think I'm gonna need it. Yeah, I think that's gonna be done for the player controller for now. And then the pounds, actually, the pound is pretty much done. I just have to do the inputs for Windows, which is good, and then the inputs for Android. If I'm able to do that today, would be nice. Yep, still have like about an hour. Should be good. Should be good. Oh wow, it's early in the morning. My voice is having trouble. Okay, so start with the inputs for Windows. I have the zoom, the pan, uh, left click, and hold. Okay. Cannot save it for now because I'm packaging, but it's fine. It doesn't matter. Input X forward, left, that's good. We're gonna check if this is not equal 0, just to make sure that we're not like calling my function every tick. Yeah. Oh, package failed. Why? That's not good. That is not good. Okay. Gonna go see why. Nope. How do I save? Oof. That's a big call stack. Oh wow. Shader compile worker just crashed. That's odd. In this case, what I like to do is just do it again. If you're doing something and it doesn't work, try doing the exact same thing and hope that it does the next time. That's usually a good way of doing it. Weirdly. Okay. So I guess we're gonna start with the zoom, maybe. That's good. Function and desired. So actually, since I want to save everything, like to keep states between, I can't say, keep the state of the player in between like play sessions. I think I'm gonna create a structure somewhere and I'm gonna save it, like when the players stop playing, yes. So yeah, we want to know like where is the player at all the time, and like what is is zoom, uh, yeah, and stuff like that. Probably rotation later if we add some rotations in there. Yeah, yeah. So I think I'm gonna just like create a structure here. Um, Fail to delete files. I don't want to delete anything. Okay. So I'm just gonna create like a small structure here. Yes, inputs. Sure. Um, Current zoom. And probably a zoom speed, since the player one is probably gonna be able like to adjust the zoom speed and probably even like the move speed and stuff. So zoom speed. For now, we're gonna focus on the zoom because it's the first thing we have to do. But then we're gonna be able to do the rest. So zoom speed and current zoom. I think I'm gonna save these. I cannot save. I'm packaging. I think I'm gonna save these in the game mode maybe, since it's gonna be like all saved and stuff. And actually, I think I'm gonna like work on the save game a little bit just to make sure. Huh. Okay, I'm just gonna create another structure then. Save. Because I want to be able to just save one thing. I don't want to like save a bunch of little thingies here and there, like 72 structures and stuff. Not sure it's the best way of doing this, but if I, in my mind, like I think that if I have one structure, which is structure save, and then I add all my other structures in there, um, it should work. Like should be able to save only one thing, but that means that if I want to save just one thing, I won't be able to. Well, I should. I will be able to, but it's just. Hmm. Yeah. I think for now we're just gonna have like one structure just to make sure, and then we'll see. Okay. Um. Whatever. Yeah, sure. Just in it. So save, and then if I go in the game mode here, can probably have one structure save here. Can't save. That's gonna be annoying though. Is it done? No, it doesn't seem to. Yeah, still processing, but the shaders are going up and down, up and down, up and down, so not helping. Okay, since I'm lazy, I think I'm gonna make like functions to access all that stuff. Okay. Yeah, I'm creating a bunch of lazy stuff for now. It's probably gonna be improved in the future, or not if I'm really too lazy. Uh, Whatever. BFL main. I don't think I'm gonna have another function library. It's gonna be too small project for that. Um, get game mode. Get game mode. This game mode here. Actually, well, whatever. Return. I want to return the game mode here. I'm just gonna convert it to broadcast because I know it's gonna be good all the time. And BPGM, and I want it to be pure. And I'm gonna do the same for get player controller. Um, the player controller. Failed again. That's not good. Ooh. Why? Why? Hmm. That's not great. What if I just try to launch it on the device? Would it work? Probably not. It's probably the same thing. Is it because I have like two Unreals open? Maybe it is. Actually, let me close everything and just reopen like this Unreal here. We'll see if it's gonna fix the problem. Yeah, because yeah, it's a bit annoying and it should work actually. So I'm not gonna do anything. I don't wanna interrupt it somehow, so I think I'm just gonna let it go. And actually I'm gonna search to see if I find like a solution for that crash. Reform farm worker crashed employed. Installing a reform, blah blah blah. That doesn't give us anything. Package fail. Nope. Nope. I could probably just replace the setting for the shader and the Android thingy. Actually, I'm gonna go see for package Android uh, like guideline or something. What is that? I don't remember the name of the thingy. Is it that thing? Nope, it's not this. Android project setup. Setting up Android device and decay. Nope, 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 nope. That's not it. Debugging reference. Android project settings. Android quick start maybe? No, no. Oh, okay, this. No, there's nothing really to do. That's interesting. Like it should work. But yeah, I guess they're not giving any info really. Hmm. Hmm. Did it work? It's the packaging. What can I do? Yeah, the only thing I haven't actually, I think it worked. Cook command started. Cook completed. Yeah, I think it worked. What the? Huh. So it was really because I had two Unreals open? Yeah, it worked this time. That's so weird. Okay. Yeah, maybe I should install like a second Unreal version or something. Hmm. Anyway, the important part is that it works now. Good. The engine contact. Actually, this is not helpful because it doesn't scale the text anyway. Okay, so I have my structure for saving and my structure for inputs. I was working on this library here that I want to get the player controller. Nope, not this one. Get player controller. Cast to this one. Pure cast. Boom. Remove these. Oh, something like that. That's good. And I want the same thing for the phone. Get the phone. It's is it player phone? Yeah, sorry. Get player phone. Just the phone. Cast again. And here we go. So something like that would work. Okay. Same as that. Actually, yeah, I don't want to have a function for the structure because I want to be able to like edit it too. I don't just want to like get values. I want to set values too. So what I'm gonna do is just leave it there. And in the game mode, I have my structure for saves, which is good. By default, it's gonna have like some default values. I don't remember what was the zoom speed I added. The current zoom. The current zoom is gonna be the same than the one I have in my phone, I think. So 1500, and the zoom speed, I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Oh yes, packaging worked. Yes. That's what I wanted. So I'm just gonna reopen the other project and I'm gonna test the package. So I have my cell phone plugged in and I want to install it on the cell phone. See if I have something. Let's see. Okay. Just wanna do something. Okay. So on my phone, just gonna see. Where is it? Tap. It's here. Hey, I have a plane. I don't know if you can see it or something, but I have a plane. Yay! So it worked, kinda. It's not like I have like something really, but there's a square. Um, yeah. Yep. Okay. So we have a game that is packaging for Android. Yes. We don't really have a game, but at least we have like something. Okay, so if I go back in Trello, I can just like move the package for Android. That's done. Yes. That's good. So I'm working on the inputs for Windows. Yeah, and then I'm gonna think that's if I'm able to do both of these today, it will be pretty good, I think. Pretty good. Okay. So let's do this. Okay. So I just want to go see what I have here. This is the structure I had in my other project. So I think I'm just gonna like edit it here instead. Zoom speed, current zoom. I want to add like some other stuff like zoom max, zoom min, they're gonna be both floats. Then there's like a zoom, lerp, speed, zoom, rotation. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add these after, but rotation max, just because I want to be able to rotate the camera at the same time as it's zooming, so we don't we're not always like top view. We're gonna be like able to go like more front view and then go back top, go back front top uh, while we zoom. Not sure it's a good idea, but we're gonna try it out. Back lerp speed, which is something else. So what do we have? Min max, lerp speed, rotation min, rotation max, back lerp speed, desired zoom. Just gonna organize it the same way I did in the other one. Zoom speed. Zoom speed is gonna be after the min and max. Min, max, and the speed. The lerp speed. Rotation min. Ooh. Rotation min, rotation max. Back lerp speed. Desired zoom. Actually, it's not like current zoom, it's gonna be desired. Okay, that's good. For the default values, just gonna 1500 for the min, 7000 for the max. The speed, actually 350. The lerp speed is gonna be 5 minus 30 for the rotation, minus 60 for the rotation max, and then 15 for the back lerp speed, and then 3500 for the desired zoom, which is the same as the one I had in the pound. So that's good. So these are the default values for now. They are in the game mode because these are the default values, so they should be here. They are not. Just make sure that they are. No, they are not, because in the save structure here, they are probably overridden somehow. Yeah, I think they are here, so I'm gonna just make sure. Oh, okay. Default values are from the structure input into the structure save into the game mode. That should be. Nope. Are you kidding me? Come on. Oh, okay. Here we go. Now the default values are everywhere. That's good. That's good. Okay. So now in the pound, hey, we can finally move something around. Mm, mm, mm. So add the desired zoom. Just gonna call it here. I want a float as input. I'm gonna call it delta. It's gonna be a float, and I'm gonna put it, plug it in the axis value. Okay. And then from here, I'm gonna get get game mode. get save, get save. Gonna split that thing because I want the inputs in there, and then I'm gonna break the inputs. Okay. So I'm gonna multiply the delta by the speed times float, zoom speed, and then we're gonna add the desired zoom plus the speed, and then that should be good. And then we're gonna set the desired zoom. I just wanna see. Yeah, I'm just gonna create a new function for that. So desired zoom, which is gonna be called here, then float input. This is the new desired zoom, something like that. And in there, what I'm gonna do is just get the game mode and the inputs, set member in there, and the member is gonna be the desired zoom. In case we want to do it from somewhere else, sometime in the future. So we're gonna have a cute little function for that. Okay, so set the zoom desired zoom. Good. So now would probably be good to apply it to the camera, because right now it's not doing anything actually. Maybe we can like see the values. Okay, the values are going up and down, so that's good. They seem inverted though, for some reason. Yeah, it's inverted. So actually what I'm gonna do is just gonna fix my inputs here. Put -1 here instead of 2. But then the zoom speed is gonna be broken, I think. So I'm just gonna go replace the zoom speed here. Gonna double it, so 700. Okay. So now I should have a not inverted zoom. Oh, I removed the print, but I'm pretty sure it's not inverted anymore. Because I inverted it, and it was inverted before, so yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Good, good, good. Okay. So now we have to apply it to the camera. So apply zoom. And this is gonna be called in tick for now. It's probably gonna stay in tick though, but for now it's gonna be there. Apply zoom. Okay. Okay. Just because it's gonna be easier. Actually, thinking about something. Am I keeping these? This might become like a bit annoying later. Hmm. If I collapse this into a function, I just want to know. Whoa, that's pretty. I want to know if it's gonna update it in the game mode or not, actually. Because I remembered I had some issues with that before. If the structure is from like a function, it's a copy and not a reference. And I don't know why, like it doesn't seem to be a reference right now. This is a reference, this is not. Huh. And I don't know how I could make it like become a reference other than just adding that in there. Will this work actually? Oh yes, that could work. Maybe this is gonna work instead. It's not a reference anymore. That's so weird. Anyway, I'm just gonna see. Yeah, no. It's just hmm. Values are not really going up. Yeah, no, they are not. It's just going up for one frame actually. Yeah. Yep. That's annoying. Because I wanted to remove this from a bunch of places, but I don't think I'll be able to. Hmm. Anyway, for now it's gonna be like that. We'll see what we can do after. Okay, so delete that function. Okay, apply the zoom. So, since we have like a bunch of stuff in there, I'm just gonna like uh, put everything in its like local variables. Min, max. So it's gonna be like simpler to do some stuff with them, other than having like always to break the big structures and stuff. Um, so I need the lerp speed, min max of everything. Lerp. Where's the? Oh, it's far. Like lerp. Rot min. Rot max. And I'm gonna need the desired. The speed I don't need it anymore because I used it before. Okay, that's good. We're gonna be doing like a quick test. I think I should be fine if I do this. I just want to align it. Here. Okay, that's good. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is get the spring arm, set length. I'm gonna do a sequence because I know that I'm gonna do some more calculations up top here, but after that I want to apply it to the spring arm. And then what I want to do is a lerp between the desired and the current length. Current length to the desired. The alpha is going to be the lerp times delta time delta seconds. Okay. So this is gonna update the length of the arm. Just gonna try if it works. Woo. Okay. So right now it's not clamping to anything, but at least it seems to work. That's good. And it's not inverted, so that's good. Okay, okay. Good, good, good. Now, am I waiting something for the rotation or I think I'm gonna do the rotation after, actually. Yeah, gonna do the rotation after. So, what I'm gonna do now is the clamping, because I could just like clamp it, like here, clamp, whatever. Actually, I could like take the min, the max, clamp, clamp float, min, max, the desired, and like put that thing in the desired. Oof. And, actually, I could. Would be better if I call the function itself because it's gonna set it for real. So if I do something like that, it should work. It should be like, yeah. I'm clamped here. I'm clamped there. Actually, that seems good. Yeah, I wanted to have like a bounce back here. It's just that right now I cannot control the bounce back. Um, but I wanted to be able to control it a bit. Yeah, that's the only difference. Hmm. Yeah, I still think I'm gonna do it the way I did it before. Just so I have a bit of control over it, because that's what I wanted to have. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is just if the desired is smaller than the minimum, I'm gonna do my own clamp, and same thing if it's higher than the minimum. So if it's higher than the maximum. So these are the two cases where I want to do a clamp and I want to do it myself. So for the first case, I'll move this away. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lerp back to the maximum or minimum position I want. So I'm gonna use the back lerp speed and I'm gonna do a lerp with it. Lerp float, the alpha is gonna be the back lerp. Or actually, am I doing a lerp? I don't think I'm. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do a lerp. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set the desired, I'm gonna get the desired, I'm gonna add a delta in there to set the new desired. So I'm gonna start with the position that is off, and I'm gonna offset it. So the current desired is too small, so I wanna add some stuff. So I'm adding stuff here. And what I'm gonna add is maybe the difference here, I think. So if I do minimum minus desired, gonna give me the difference between both. So let's say I'm 200 under, I'm gonna like have 200 here, or minus 200, or whatever. And then I'm just gonna like do something weird like multiplying it, I think, with the lerp and the delta seconds. I think it's gonna be good enough. Not sure it's the best way to do that, but I think it's gonna work. So I just want to add back the difference to make it equal, but I'm not doing it like one shot. I'm doing it like over time. Yeah, something like that. And I think I'm gonna do the exact same thing for the opposite side. Instead of the min, I'm gonna use the max here. And then I think that's it. Is it gonna work? Seems too easy to work. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so it should do. Yeah, it's way smoother now. Okay, I have the same bounce back. Woo. But this time it's smoother. Okay, yeah, I can like overkill it, but that's not the point. But yeah, it's just smoother. Yeah, that's what I want. And I can tweak the value, so that's good too. Yeah, sounds good to me. Okay, that's good. And now the rotation I was talking about. So this is gonna be used on the spring arm too, and then set relative rotation on the spring arm. Gonna split these. And which one I want to use? I want to use the same one that I'm using here. So it's the y-axis, the pitch. Gonna adjust the pitch of the spring arm. I'm gonna get the arm length. Can I get the percentage of which the arm length is currently between the min and the max? So subtract the min and then subtract the min from the max. That. Then I'm gonna get the percentage between these two, and then I'm gonna lerp between the rotation maximum and minimum. So lerp between these using that 0 to 1 value here. That should give me a rotation here. Yeah, should work because like I already calculated tested all the values and stuff, but yeah. So yeah, so now we have it like more horizontal, more vertical. I think that can be interesting. Like for now it's not because I don't have anything on this in the scene, but let's say I have like cube and the cone, and maybe I can scale it up. Maybe like a sphere here, another cube that is like scaled, maybe rotate it a bit, something like that. So I can see like from the top and yeah, from the front. Yeah, I think it's nice. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. So here we go. We have a zoom. We have a ton of gameplay now. Yay! Not really. Uh, we're going to have a bit of gameplay in the future, I think. Okay, so the zoom is done. I think we're gonna have enough time to maybe do the direction, like the location, with the inputs on the keyboard. Okay, so let's do that real quick. So, and desired location. Same thing. Oh, a little delta in input. And this, I'm gonna go like that. Now before I forget, in the event graph, come on, refresh. Okay. Uh, Actually, I'm gonna need like two deltas, like one for the x and one for the y. Delta y, delta x. Left is gonna be the y, I think. Yeah, should be good. So we're gonna go get these things, break the inputs. Zoom, 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 zoom. I don't have anything for the move speed and stuff, so I'm gonna go add these right now. So what do I need? Move speed minimum, move speed max, because I want to be able like to move slower if I'm fully zoomed, and move slower if I'm not. Okay, min and max, and then desired location. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna move them on the top just because it makes sense to me. Oops. Okay. Move speed, make map, and that's it. Is there something else I forgot? I don't think I do. Good, 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 good. Okay. Min and max and the desired location. Just to see. Move speed is gonna be like I have 2.5 here, then 12. Um, sure. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need a lerp too. Move lerp. Did I call it lerp speed? So I'm gonna call it lerp speed here too. Put it all the way to the top and put it back into a float. Okay. And the lerp speed is gonna be like whatever. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, so now. Okay. So these make vector 2D with these two inputs. Actually, I could have put it like as a vector 2D and then. Okay, gonna do that. Vector 2D instead of delta x and delta y, I'm gonna put vector 2D in. And then if I go back in the event graph, it's not gonna like it, but doesn't matter. Can split it here and just put it back in there. Okay, good. I'm gonna multiply this with a float, which is the speed I want to move. Just gonna move remote to local variable for now. Okay, delta. And I actually, what I'm gonna do is get the desired location, add a vector in there, and I'm gonna set the desired location. So for this, the x is gonna be in the x, the y is gonna be in the y, like that. And then I want to set it, so what I'm gonna do is just the same way I did for the zoom. set desired location. Vector. Zoom from here, had the desired location there, and here we go. So I'm setting the desired location, the game mode, and I am calling that function here, which is, here we go. So I'm gonna override the location, and then what I want to do is apply it to the camera. So I'm just gonna go add zoom, so apply zoom, gonna create apply location. For that I'm gonna use our location, gonna lerp, and I'm gonna set our location itself, which I'm the bound, so I'm gonna move the bound, gonna lerp between the actor location and on this thing here, I want the move lerp speed, that I'm just gonna multiply it by the delta time. Here we go. Boop. Something like this. And then I need the desired location to desired location. Okay, that's good. So now I'm lerping between the two locations and I'm setting the position. That's good. I think that's enough. It doesn't work. Why? Why? Oh, it's never called. In the tick here, I have to call apply location. Okay, so now I should be able to move. Nope. Never mind. Never mind, I lied. Haha. Why? Oh, multiply by 0. Oopsie. Oopsie. What's the speed I want to use here? Set desired location. Actually, for now I'm just gonna be 1 because I want to see if it works, and then we'll see. Okay. Back, forward, left, right. My left, right are inverted, which is not fun. Okay, I'm just gonna go change that, I guess. Project settings. So this is not gonna be left, this is gonna be right, I guess. And then A is gonna be minus 4.5, T is gonna be 4.5. Okay, so I just inverted the inputs. Input right. Oops. Input axis right. Okay, so this should be good. Okay, good. Everything makes sense now. It's just super slow, but this is where the speed has to change here. I'm just gonna lerp between the minimum and the maximum speed based on the current zoom. So what I have to do is the same thing that I did in the apply zoom here at the bottom. I want to do that same little calculation here to detect if I'm like if I'm fully zoomed or not. Zoom minimum. Actually, I want the current zoom. Desired zoom. Minus zoom minimum. Max zoom minus zoom minimum. And here we go. I think that's it. That should be good. Zoom minimum, max. Actually, it's either the desired. Yeah, should be fine. Should be good. So now, if I move, woo, okay, I'm faster, way faster. If I zoom out, I'm super fast. But if I'm closer, I'm slow. It's still a bit fast, but I think it's just because I just have like a plane in my scene. Yeah, because this way, if we're gonna be closer to the scene and we wanna like look at stuff, like have a closer look, we can do it like smoothly, like slowly. But if we zoom out and we just want to move fast to somewhere else, like it's faster. Like, yeah, I don't know how big the map's gonna be, but if it gets pretty big, like, it's better if we're able to move faster, I think. Because it's super annoying if, like, I think it's super annoying when we're trying, like, just to move from point A to point B and it's, like, mega slow. So yeah, I think that's good. Okay. This is not, like, the smoothest thing ever, but should be fine for now. Okay, okay. Hmm. Think that's gonna be it for now. Input for Windows, I have like the zoom. I don't have the pan yet, it's not done really, but actually I have like WASD for move. This is done. It wasn't on the list, but it's something useful on the list, I think. We'll click for pan. I don't have that. But that's gonna be after, I think. I don't think we need that. But I think we're gonna need like the left click to move. Actually, I'm just gonna go see how fast I did it before. If I just do a left click, yeah, it seems a bit, yeah, it's gonna take a bit of time, and I don't have that much time right now. Yeah. Okay. So I think I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Yeah. And we're gonna continue in the next one because I have to get ready to go to work. Yeah, I have to work. Yep. But yeah, that's good. Well, it's more progress than I expected. That's good. That's good. I was thinking that we will just like have enough time to, I don't know, do the project, package it, project settings and stuff. But Android Studio installed pretty quickly. That's good. I'm happy about it. We had a bit of problem packaging, but wasn't a big deal. Just had to close everything and start over. I mean, start packaging again. Probably just because we had like two Unreal open, and it's not a good idea. That's pretty much it. So yeah, oh yeah, before I go, I think I could go do the git ignore with you, because it's right now I'm pretty sure Unreal's gonna try to, Git's gonna try to add everything that I don't care about. Yeah, got all that stuff. It's so useless. So yeah, actually what I'm gonna do here is just go, not that thing, go away Unreal. It's not what I want. Okay, in my project here, open this in Notepad. Okay, right here I think, and source tree here. So we're gonna ignore everything we don't need. So I don't care about all that stuff. Okay. First thing first, intermediate. Is it like that? I don't. I never remember the structure. Nope. It's probably with star after, maybe. Star before. Yeah, okay. Intermediate. We're gonna remove saved to. Boom. Okay, that's already better. The build folder, we don't need it either. Build. Boom. Hey, that's already way better. And then the binaries. Here we go. And then since we don't want the build, like the package, I don't want to submit the package. I'm just gonna remove Android T ASTC, which should remove that. That's good. So we're just left with the configs and the content. I don't know why I don't have the derived data cache folder in that project. Yeah, it's there. Huh, it's empty. Strange. But I'm pretty sure. I know I won't want to have that one either, so I'm just gonna add it here. Here we go. So when this folder is gonna have stuff in it, it's gonna be ignored, so that's good. Yeah, it's good. I think that's it. Intermediate, safe build, binaries. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it. Good, 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 good. Yeah, because we really don't want to version like save the APK files. Not really useful, because we can regenerate it every time. It's the same for the build data actually. I could probably just remove that thing too. Yeah, gonna do that. Build data that you set. I think I need a star in front. I think. Nope. Build that. Okay. Yeah, that's good. So yeah, these files are generated by Unreal, so we don't need them either. And depending on the project, they can be huge. Actually, I don't need them. If you're working in a team and you want to share the light build, you probably need to add them in the source control because like they can take hours to be generated. So if you don't want all your team to generate them, you probably want to share them. But it's not something that you want to like. If you have source control that you have control over it, you should probably like dig a little bit and make sure to remove all the version, like only keep like the latest version or maybe the two last, because I was working on a project a few years ago and the build data were huge, like multiple gigs per file, and we had a ton of them, and then like the old server was clogged because we had like too much build data on it. Yeah, we were keeping like all the versions and stuff, so we had to remove them. Actually, it's just obvious, but we didn't think of it before. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'm just gonna like submit all that. So it's gonna be stream one. Uh, I don't know, project config and uh, a bit of movement, something like that. Doesn't really matter. It's just for me anyway. Nobody else gonna read all my stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So gonna see you in the next one. I hope you're all gonna have a nice day, and yeah, see you soon. I'm probably gonna do that like I don't know, maybe tomorrow, maybe at the end of the day. Nah, I think I'm gonna have a big day today. So probably tomorrow morning I might be back. I don't know what time it is on your side. On my side, like I started at 5:30 this morning, so it's a little bit early, but it's fine. I like working early like that. Like nobody can bother me because everybody else is sleeping, so that's good. So yeah. So thanks for watching. It was nice. It was a nice start of the project, and I hope this project's gonna go far. Yep, yep. Um, yeah. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.